welcome back to the next video, and in this video I am going to do some problems related to complementary angles. So let's start. Evaluate tan 65 degree by cos 25 degree. This is one of the basic sums of NCERT. Now we will be solving this sum by using this complementary angles formula. Now you can see that cot theta is tan 90 minus theta. Means if we change this one if we change this cot to tan 90 minus theta, it will become 65. So we can we can cut tan 65 by tan 65 and it will become 1. So let's do it. So here cot theta equals to solution. Cot theta equals to tan 90 minus theta. Now cot is 25 degree. So tan is also 90 minus 25 degree. That is cot 25 degree equals to tan 65 degree. So we can write, so this will let this be 1. So by 1 we can say that tan 65 degree by cot 25 degree is nothing but tan 65 degree. So tan 65 degree by tan 65 degree, it becomes 1. Answer. So this is one of the most basic problems of complementary angles. Now we will do it tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree, tan 67 degree equals to 1. Prove that. Prove that tan 48, tan 23, tan 42 and tan 67 degree equals to 1. This, so LHS tan 48, tan 23, tan 42, tan 67. So we will change the value of we will change tan 48 and tan 23 present in terms of cot, and after that we will see what it comes. So let's do it. So tan 48 can be, by using this formula, can be written as, by using this formula, it can be written as cot 90 minus 48 degree. This one also can be written as cot 90 minus 23. So we have to the answer should come in 1. The answer should come 1. So we have to now tan 42 and tan 67, let it be same. Now cot 90 minus 48, how much? 42. Cot 42 degree, and 90 minus 23, that is cot 67 degree. Tan 42 degree, tan 67 degree. Now tan for cot 42 and tan 42 is nothing but 1, because tan cot 42 is cos by sine, and tan 42 is sine by cos. So cos by sine, so suppose cos by sine into sine by cos is nothing but 1. So by the same idea we can write here cot 42 degree, tan 42 degree, cot 67 degree, tan 67 degree. So these two becomes 1, and cot 67 and tan 67 also becomes 1. So 1 into 1, we know that is 1 equals to RHS. So hence proved. So let us do another problem. Equals to cot A minus 18 degree. Where 2A is an acute angle, where 2A is an acute angle. Acute angle means the angle which is less than 90 degree. Acute angle. So find the value of A. Find the value of A. Solution. So let us write it in blue. It will be big for us to understand. So tan 2A equals to cot A minus 18, where 2A is an acute angle. Now we will change this cot in terms of tan. See, cot theta is 90 minus theta. So if this A minus 18, if we consider A minus if we consider A minus 18 as theta, so we can express it as in terms of tan 90 minus theta. So let us do that first. Tan 2A equals to tan 90 minus A minus 18 degree. So tan 2A, we can solve it as 90 minus A plus 18 degree. Tan 2A equals to tan 90 plus 18 is how much? 90 plus 18 is 108. Degree minus A. Now we can eliminate, so since both sides there is tan, so we can eliminate it and write it as 2A equals to 108 degree minus A. Now A comes over here, that is 3A equals to 108. So A equals to 108 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9, that is 36. So the value of A is nothing but 36 degree. So A, B, C are interior angles of triangle ABC. Show that sin B plus C by 2 is cos A by 2. Now to solve this, it is given that angle A, the interior angles of ABC are the interior angles of triangle ABC. So if we draw a triangle, we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is nothing but 180 degree by angle sum property. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle which you have learned in junior classes. So it is become ABC. So B plus C, here it becomes 180 degree minus A. So from here we can get, we can find out the value of B plus C is 180 degree minus A by, and let it be 1. Now coming back to the proof, LHS sin B plus C by 2. Now by complementary angles we can change the value of sine in terms of cos. So cos 90 minus b plus c by 2. Now b plus c is nothing but 180 degree minus a, f by 1. So we can write 180 degree minus a by 2 by 1. Now if we rubbing the first part, because there is no space over here, so cos 90 minus 180 minus 180 degree minus a by 2 is nothing but 90 minus a by 2. So 90 minus a by 2. So cos becomes 90 degree minus 90 plus a by 2. So 90 and 90 gets cancelled. So cos a by 2, which is equals to RHS, that is proved. So now here we are completing the complementary angles chapter topic, and from the next video we will be going through the trigonometric identities, which is the most important part and the most interesting part of the chapter trigonometry. So hope you guys like it, and if you have any problems, make sure you must write it down on the comment box and let me know. I will solve it as soon as possible. Thank you guys. Stay tuned.